Can you duck your head that way? There we go. And here we go on the log flume. I'm not sure if this is the original one. There used to be one here years ago that was sponsored by Chewits. Now the big Chewits dinosaur on it. Oh. And here we go. Brace yourself for some slow down at the bottom of the ramp. Woo! How was that?
Good.
You like that one?
Yep. Now we're bigger.
Oh, right. It's the big one. Just pop your head to that side, sweet. Good lad. Woo! We're going up. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, high up. Good old school log flume, this one. Not much theming to it. Oh, we stopped again. Here we go. Hold tight. Woo. You get wet?
Yeah.
Awesome. Oh no! It's all right.
Yeah, it's all right.
Right. I think that's a wrap. Good ride.